Hi friends, next we have a topic called pointer arithmetic. So what is the pointer arithmetic operators in the sense? So we have incrementation pointer on pointers, decrementation on pointers, pointer addition, pointer subtraction and comparison of pointers. These are all some easy topics. What do you mean by incrementation on pointers? See, incrementation operator is nothing but the plus plus operator. So what is the use of plus plus operator? It increases the value of the pointer or operand by 1. So here if you increment the pointer, so it is going to increment by the size of the data the pointer is pointing to. Okay, now we have an example here. Hash include stdio.h main function. So this is the normal variable. Int a is the normal variable and int star p is the pointer variable which is assigned by address of a. So address of a means consider here the address we have for a 50,000 no 5,04,321 is the address we have for a. Now I will print the address before incrementation of the pointer. See, pointer p plus means the pointer increment, which is p pointer, plus plus means incrementation operator. So before using this I am going to use one printf statement. Value of the pointer before the increment is equal to %u. So what is this conversion code %u? In the sense we are going to display the address of p. See, p is pointing to whom? This address. See, this address is nothing but 5,04,321. So this printf statements print this value. Got it? Then the increment operator will be evaluated so that p plus plus executes. When p plus plus executes, after that if you are trying to print the p value like this, printf value of the pointer after increment is equal to %u in the sense. So you are going to get the value 5,04,323. See, the difference between 21 and 23 is 2 bytes. It means your pointer will be incremented by 2 bytes. Why? Because of this pointer is also of type integer. So integer holds the integer holds how many bytes? 2 bytes. So pointer will be incremented by 2 bytes. Got it? Then we have decrementation on pointers. Same as incrementation, we are having decrement operator here. Minus minus is the operator which decrements the pointer value or the size of the data the pointer is pointing to. So what happens if you use p minus minus here? Suppose consider the starting address is 2000. So before the increment you are printing before the increment p is equal to %u p, it means 2002. Then you are decrementing the pointer by minus minus. After this statement, if you are trying to print the p value, you will get the value this much. So first value 2002, second value is 2000. So it is going to decrement by 2 bytes. Why? Because the pointer is having of type integer holds 2 bytes. So 2 bytes of memory will be decremented. So this is what decrementation on pointers. So next we have pointer addition. What is this pointer addition? See, int a int star p is equal to ampersand a. It means the address of a is assigned to p. Before addition you are going to print the p value. So consider the starting address is 2000, you are going to get the output. Then you are using addition operator between the pointers. P is equal to p plus 2. What is this p plus 2 in the sense? Now you see this formula. Final value of pointer is equal to current value of the pointer plus integer number we are using. What is that integer number? This one. See, p is equal to p plus 2 means this one. P is equal to p plus 2. Final pointer value this one equals current pointer value p, that is how much? 2000. Here you can see 2000 plus is there plus 2 we are having here. No, that 2 is nothing but the integer number. Integer number is going to be multiplied with size of the data type. See, what is the size of the data type we are having? Integer. Integer holds how many bytes? 2 bytes. That is the size we are writing here. So integer number is 2. 2 into 2 bytes, how much? 4. So total address will be 2004. It means this pointer is going to hold the address 2004. Why? Because integer number will be multiplied with the respective data type you are using here. Got it? So after addition, you are going to get the value 2004. So this is what? Pointer addition. Next we have pointer subtraction. Same as the previous example, we are going to get here p minus 2. So p minus 2 means the starting address is 2000. Integer number will be multiplied with the size of the data. This one, integer number will be multiplied with size of the data. So 2 into 2 bytes, how much? 4. 2000 minus 4, how much? 1996. Suppose if you have here 3, this will be 3 into 2 bytes, 6. You will get the output 1994. Got it? So this is what? Pointer subtraction. Next we have comparison of pointers. See, this is very interesting one. So comparison operators, you know, greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal, or not equal. So we can compare two pointers here. So see this example, int star ptr1 is the first pointer, star ptr2 is the second pointer. I am taking one normal variable a. Now ptr1 is assigned by a and ptr2 is assigned by ampersand a. It means both the pointers are having same address. When both the pointers are having same address, you can compare like this using if condition. If pointer 1 is equivalent to pointer 2 or pointer 2 is equivalent to pointer 1, in any way you can check. So here pointer 2 is also having same address, pointer 1 is also having same address. When these two pointers are having same address, you can tell that pointers are pointing to same data. So condition true, right? So you are going to get this output. Suppose if you take one more variable called int b. So first pointer is having address a and second pointer is having address b in the sense, then if you compare like this, pointer 2 is equivalent to pointer 1 means the condition will become false. When the condition become false, you can print the else part statement. Printf pointer to the different data. It means your pointers are pointing to different data. So this is what the comparison. You can use less than symbol also here. Less than, greater than symbols and not equal symbols to check or compare the pointers. So this is what? Comparison of pointers. Thank you.